class, how's everyone doing? Hope you've been having a good day so far. Today we're going to be continuing our lesson on jobs. So if you will, open up your workbooks and turn to page 14. I'll go ahead and wait until everyone gets there. Alright, we're going to look at the first section on jobs, section A, and you're going to be writing down the correct number, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that goes with the correct job. Alright, so, Taeyun, if you will, look at number 1. Can you tell me what this guy is? Yep, he's a doctor. Alright. And Tiffany, how about number 2? Can you tell me what he is? Yep, he's a teacher like me. And number 3, Sunny, could you get that one for us? Yep, he is a police officer. And how about Johnny? How about number 4? Yep, he is a pilot. Alright. And do you guys know anyone who might have a job like this? Jessica? Oh, cool, your dad's a pilot. Awesome. Alright, everyone go ahead and flip to the next page. Alright, now we're going to be looking at places. Can you guys, once again, we're going to be writing down the number that goes with the correct place. So in the last section, we looked at a pilot, a teacher, a doctor, and a policeman. So, with each one of these, can you guys tell me who would work at each place? Hyoyeon, how about number 1? Yep, a doctor would be working at the hospital, so that'll be the first one. Number 2, Suyeon, could you get that for me? Yep, a policeman will be working at the police station. Alright, Yuri, how about number 3? The airport is where a pilot would work. And the last one, how about Yuna? A teacher, like me, would be working at the school. Alright, now let's go down to the next section. Alright, and this is what each of the people do. So with a teacher, policeman, a doctor, and a pilot, can you guys tell me what each one of these guys does? Alright, how about Sojin? Could you tell me what number 1 is? Right, the doctor, he helps sick people. Alright. Number 2, Mina, how about that? Could you get that for me? A teacher, like myself, teaches the students. Very good. Alright, how about Unji? Could you get number 3 for me? Yep, the policeman catches thieves. And class together, because thieves is a little difficult to say. Could you guys all say it together with me? Thieves. Very good. Alright, and the last one. How about we call on Nikhyun? Number 4, could you get that one for me? Yep, a pilot flies planes. Alright, very good everybody. Let's go on and flip to the next page. Alright, and now we're going to go talk about the jobs. Alright, so if you look at section A, can you tell me which letter would go with the correct number? Right. So, for the first one, it says, what is he? And what is he? Number A is going to go with the second one. What is he? He is a scientist. And with the second one, number B, or letter B, it says, what is her job? She is a vet. Very good. Alright, let's go on to section B. Alright, and we're going to talk about what the people do. Alright, so if you look at the first picture, can you tell me what he does? How about Jay? Can you tell me what he does? Right, he's a baker, and he bakes bread. And number 2, could you guys tell me what he does? Right, he is a chef, and he makes food in a restaurant. Alright, very good. Let's go ahead and flip to the next page. Alright, in section C, we're going to talk about where people work. Alright, so in the first picture, what do you see? Right, a firefighter. Alright, so, where does a firefighter work? Right, he works in a fire station. Good, good. Alright, and in the second picture, what do you see? A lady with a cashier. Yep, she works in a supermarket. Very good. Alright, and let's go down to section D. Now, how about you guys? This will be a question that you guys will probably get asked a whole bunch whenever you get older, and it's where you want to work at. So in the first one, it says, what do you want to be in the first section? So letter A says, what do you want to be? And so in number 2, you would write, I want to be a, and you get to fill in the blank in. So you could be a pilot, you could be a doctor, a chef, you could be a policeman, anything. Alright, and then, and the letter B, it says, where do you want to work? And so in number 1, you would say, I would want to work in a, and you'd fill in where you want to work. So if you're a policeman, you'd want to work in a police station. If you're a fireman, a fire station. A doctor, you'd work at the hospital. Alright, let you guys fill that in. Alright, let's go ahead and flip to the next page. Alright, now when we look at the picture, what do you guys see when you look at it? Think of some expressions or some ideas with this guy. So can you tell me what he is, where he is at, what he's doing? How about what do you see, what is he cooking? And, alright, yep, he's cooking bread, very good. And what about the bread? Is it cold bread? Is it warm bread? Hot bread? Yep, hot bread. And do you see what he has on his hands? No, they're not gloves, they're called mitts. It's so you don't burn your hands. Alright, very good. So let's go down to the next section, section B. Alright, now can someone tell me what his job is? Faye? Yep, his job is a baker. Alright, and Susie, how about where does he work at? Yep, he works at a bakery. Alright, how about we call on, because he's been quiet for a little while, Litu, how about what does he do? Yep, he bakes bread. Alright, Chindong, how about, what things can you see in the picture? We saw bread, we saw the mitt, can you see anything else? Yep, there's an oven, very good, very good. Alright, and we discussed what he was making, can anybody tell me again? Yep, he's making bread. Alright, very good guys. Alright, let's go ahead and flip to the next page. Alright, now with this, we're going to be working with partners. So, tell me, or talk to your partner, and tell them, and ask them, the different jobs that you see in this pie chart. Okay, I'll go ahead and let you guys discuss that. Alright, very good. Alright, now let's go ahead and go down to section A. Alright. So, we're looking at the percentages, and the percentages, it's a big word. It sort of just means the numbers. So it might be big numbers or small numbers. Alright, and let's go down to section B. Alright, now, can you tell me which job has the most, or the biggest, percentage? Yep, that's pilot. Alright, pilot seems like a fun job. Alright, and which is the least popular, so the smallest? Jake? Yep, scientist. So not too many people want to be a scientist. Alright. Alright, well everybody, I think that this covers the lesson for today. Be sure to review the words that we went over today. So we have different jobs, different people, and different places where they work. Alright everybody, I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.